So today we'll be talking about how to use a sleeping bag. Remove the sleeping bag by loosening the straps and string from the cover. Lay it on the sleeping mat. You can find a velcro at the top here. If you look closely, the zip can shift inside as well as outside. When you are outside, pull it outwards and open the sleeping bag. The string is to tighten the opening of sleeping bag for your head. Now put your legs inside the sleeping bag and pull it until fleece of the sleeping bag touches your feet. And then close the zip. Make sure your face is out for breathing. Cover up your head by the cover and pull the string to fit your head. For short people, shorten the length of the sleeping bag by tying a sling and go inside your bag to keep yourself warm. Next morning, put the end towards your feet first inside the cover, then keep applying force. Make sure there are no air gaps and keep pushing and strap the outer cover of the sleeping bag as fast as you could. And then tighten the straps that are present on the outer cover so that your sleeping bag stays intact. Your sleeping bag is now packed well and can be used on the rest of the days of your trek.